issued Tornado Watch number 569, effective until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Cabarrus, Davidson, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 569 has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Cabarrus, Davidson, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union.
On things, that was usually when I'd start to look.
He's explored alternative social platforms like